Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for daily updates. Hello friends, welcome to Express Current Affairs. Let us see the important topics covered from today's Hindu newspaper along with the important questions useful for all the upcoming exams. I have provided you the PDF link of previous day's video in today's description below. If anybody needs it, do download it. Now let's start. Which of the following is the world's largest bee spotted for the first time since 1981? Wallace giant bee, European honey bee, bumblebee or sweat bee? The answer is A, Wallace giant bee. Now the bee is named after British naturalist Alfred Russel Wallace and nicknamed the bee as the flying bulldog. Wallace giant bee's scientific name is very important from exam point of view. It is Megachile pluto or Megachile pluto. It has been rediscovered in a remote part of Indonesia in its first sighting in nearly 40 years. The conservation status of this species is vulnerable under IUCN Red List. Now this is the picture of the world's largest bee, Megachile pluto, a giant insect which will be roughly the size of a human thumb. Which of the following is the Japan probe sent to collect samples from an asteroid 300 million kilometers away? New Horizons, Rosetta, Hayabusa 2, Messenger. The answer is C, Hayabusa 2. A Japanese probe, Hayabusa 2, is sent to collect samples from an Ryugu asteroid which is 300 million kilometers away. So remember the asteroid name along with the mission name, the probe name, Hayabusa 2. The mission is operated by Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency, and the main purpose of this mission is to seek clues about the origin of life and the solar system. The Ryugu asteroid is thought to contain relatively large amounts of organic matter and water from some 4.6 billion years ago when the solar system was born, and samples from this asteroid would help find out whether elements from space gave rise to life on Earth. To mark International Mother Language Day, Victoria Memorial Hall in Kolkata has put on display which of the following oldest manuscripts? Gita Govinda, Raghuvamsha, Amukta Malyada, Ramcharitmanas. The answer is A, Gita Govinda. The Victoria Memorial Hall in Kolkata has put on display one of its oldest manuscripts, a handwritten 18th century copy of Gita Govinda to mark the International Mother Language Day. We have discussed already about this day. Every year we celebrate International Mother Language Day on February 21st, and the theme for 2019 is Indigenous Language as a Factor in Development, Peace and Reconciliation. The manuscript is composed by poet Jayadeva, and the language of the manuscript is Sanskrit and the script is in Bengali. Which team emerged as a champion in the inaugural season of RuPay Pro Volleyball League 2019? Calicut Heroes, Black Hawks Hyderabad, Chennai Spartans or U Mumbai Volley? Answer is C, Chennai Spartans. And this is the first ever RuPay Pro Volleyball League, and Chennai Spartans won the championship, defeating Calicut Heroes in the finale. The 2019 edition has 6 franchises. You need to remember all the 6 teams which participated, very important. The remaining 2 teams which I didn't mention are Ahmedabad Defenders and Kochi Blue Spikers. And you need to know the number of players required to play volleyball in each team. It is 6 players. BioAsia 2019 is an annual event devoted to life sciences being organized by which state? Karnataka, Telangana, Maharashtra, Odisha. The answer is B, Telangana. BioAsia 2019 is an annual event devoted to life sciences being organized by Telangana government. It will be inaugurated by Governor of Telangana ESL Narasimhan on February 25th. The event to have participation from as many as 50 countries and total of 1500 delegation. What is the full form of FATF? Financial Action on Task Force, Financial Action on Terror Force, fast action on terror force or financial action on terror fight? The answer is A, financial action on task force, previously asked. So do remember, important. Financial action on task force is an international governmental organization which combats money laundering and terrorism financing, headquartered at Paris of France and formed in the year 1989, almost 30 years ago. International Terror Financing Watchdog FATF urged Pakistan to comply with an action plan on terror financing or face further action. Now, currently Pakistan is under grey list, but India is demanding to move Pakistan from grey list to the black list. Which of the following countries to ink multi-billion agreement for AK-103 assault rifles? India and Russia, India and USA, Pakistan and Saudi Arabia, or China and Pakistan? The answer is A, India and Russia are the countries to ink multi-billion agreement for AK-103 assault rifles. The AK-103 assault rifle is the third generation of the Kalashnikovs, an upgrade of the AK-47 and AKM. You need to know the full form of the AK in AK-47 or AK-103 assault rifle. No wonder if they ask in the examinations, it is Automat Kalashnikov. Now, rate of fire of this AK-103 assault rifle is almost 600 rounds per minute. And remember, the army had recently signed a contract for 72,000 assault rifles from 6 over of the United States. We have already discussed this point, and Indian Army is looking to replace the indigenous INSAS, that is Indian National Small Arms System rifles, in use with the modern rifle. Micro Units Development and Refinance Agency Mudra provides loan up to the amount of 2 lakh rupees, 5 lakh, 8 lakh or 10 lakh. The answer is D, 10 lakh. Mudra was launched by Prime Minister Modi on 8th of April 2015 and provides loan up to 10 lakh rupees. Recently, Labour Bureau of India files Mudra job report, and the Labour Bureau has completed its survey on employment generated by the Mudra loan scheme. So the report will be released in the first week of March. We will know how many people have been employed under this Mudra scheme. It provides loan at lower interest to microfinance institutions and non-banking financial institutions. Now, under this scheme, Shishu is up to 50,000 of loan is approved, and Kishore is up to 5 lakh rupees, and Tarun is up to 10 lakh rupees. So remember these 3 points again, very important. Let's see the question for the day. 100 years of Jallianwala Bagh Massacre to be observed this year in 2019. Then when did this incident took place? Very, very important. Expect a question from this area again. 11th of April 1919, 12th of April 1919, 13th April 1919 or 14th of April 1919. Mention your answers in the comment section. Let's see the answer for previous day's question. International Shooting Sports Federation World Cup 2019 has been inaugurated in which city? New Delhi, Guwahati, Ahmedabad, Bhubaneswar. The answer is A, New Delhi, as rightly answered by Indravardhan Solanki, Mallesh Myakala, Ashwin Mishra, Shrishti Tripathi and Amulya Krishna. Thank you all guys for following my videos regularly and taking your time in replying answers. Now, recently, India denied visa to 2 Pakistani shooters who are supposed to participate in men's 25 meters rapid fire pistol competition. A denial of visa to Pakistani shooters has hit India's chances of hosting the Olympics, with the International Olympics Committee suspending all the talks. Now, the IOA says that all the future international sporting events in India would be put on hold, and India aspires to host 2026 Youth Olympics, 2032 Summer Olympics and 2030 Asian Games. And in order to host these Olympics in India need to give a written statement that there would be no discrimination on participation of athletes in future events. Let's see the quote for the day. Always remember, your focus determines your reality. So do not lose your focus for anything else, because that determines your future. This is it for today. Have a happy weekend and see you on Monday. Thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.